But really the key takeaway for all of you guys, and I've said this before, there is always, 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 always more than one way to use data science in any business and in any problem, right? So again, you're thinking a cruise ship company, you're thinking, great, I'm going to optimize their sales. Well, that's only like 10% of what the company does, or 10% of what you could do for that company, right? So that's how I think about it, right? So even though they define the problem for me, there's still like sub branches that you can find. So I know I'm speaking fast, but I'm just giving you a brain dump because these are the things that just come to me, right? But I mean, this is me like years and years in the business, right? But that's how I would have done it. Where can I buy your gas better or can I use your gas better? Either way, it's a win, right? And if I can do that just 1%, 1% of a billion is a lot of money. So, you know, it's small wins that are possible there. So you got to think about what is it that you're trying to solve, not what tool can I use, right? So again, closing note, always think of the meta view, right? We are data scientists that are divorced from the business, divorced from the results, divorced from money and company biases and all that. Our job is to produce the best code that we can in the most organized way to give the clients potential results and say, hey, this is what our findings are. We're not telling you what to do, but these are what this is what you tasked us with. Here's what our experiments resulted in. So to Denelson's previous question, that final delivery is going to be with an article with saying, hey, this is what our results mean to your business, right? So let's think about it that way. Let's think about how data science is the removal of bias, right? So be careful, be aware of your biases, and we'll see where we end up next time.